Hey, Miss Grant, there are several ways that you can kind of look at the students' data to see what they should be working on. Here's one report that I look at. I go to my Freckle School dashboard. On the left, you see managed teachers, growth data, usage data, proficiency data. I usually look at the proficiency data, look at the math adaptive grade report. And what this shows is how many students what standard that they're working on within a domain. So being that we on the last 3 weeks, I will be looking at the highest content weight. So on fourth grade, I will go up here and I click fractions. And what the report shows is students that have insufficient data. That means they haven't been working enough within the fractions domain to really get a grasp of their performance level. So all these students, I would recommend for these last 3 weeks to just call in on Freckle fractions domain so we can get an accurate um, data approach. These students that are performing below, I would want them on Freckle as well, and I would have them working on this standard within third grade, which it connects to fourth grade as well. And then these students that are within grade level, I'll look at the specific standard, like Shantanae 4N F3A. I would want to create assignments with that fractions standard to work to get her to improve. And these students over here that are above, I would still give them like a grade level fractions assignment to just make sure that they have mastered fourth grade because they have done so already on fifth grade. But if you look at some of these students um, that are performing at above grade level, people like Cheryl, Mackenzie, these are high students anyway. So I would just let them continue to work as well on that fifth grade standard. But this is a good report that you can look at. Once again, you go to proficiency data, math adaptive grade level. Then you choose your domain and your grade. So if you want to look at fifth grade, you go to fifth grade, and their highest content weight is fractions as well. And you'll see exactly where the students are performing. If you notice, you have a lot of students that are below because fifth grade does not practice on Freckle as much as other grade levels. So they have a number of students in the insufficient data category because they haven't worked enough time to get accurate data. So try this report and then I'll send another screencast if this one doesn't work for you. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you.